The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. We are Thursday, April 16. Todd, good morning. Randy, Sue. Guys, good morning. Coming into the session, we've got 56. Hey, good morning, Stephen. Jacques, good morning. Jacques, I'll find that video for you. And if not, you and I can do a quick one-on-one. ES has about 5,500 just over sellers at the moment. NASDAQ has literally a couple of hundred buyers, small buyers right now in silver, a couple thousand buyers in gold. And gold is, hey, Chris, good morning. Gold is bid again. Chad, good morning. Guys, we do have jobless claims this morning. That ought to be an interesting number. Morgan Stanley reported, I put it in the member Skype. They beat handily on revenue, missed on earnings, to be expected. But they made a ton of money in trading. In any event, guys, I'm not sure what we're looking for in unemployment claims or continuing claims, but I'm sure it's going to be another record. She should be a doozy. Hope you guys had a great evening. If anybody is here in the room already that's on trial, good morning and welcome. I think we're going to see pretty darn close to $1,800 on gold fairly soon. Seems to be it's a great overnight trade. Now, 5:30 we started this move from 52. In any event, I'll quickly read the disclaimer and we'll sit. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. There is your disclaimer. Guys, I have resurrected one of my favorite charts prior to this volatility getting haywire. I have resurrected the 15 range. I think that the volatility may have died down enough that we might, as they would say in the South, could go back and revisit some of our more favorites. If you look at this, and I've got it currently set to the 5 and 10 range, not the 1 and 3 minute. But if you look at this overnight from the European Open, right at 3 o'clock, you get a big winner. 3 a.m. Eastern, 3:07, I guess. But you get a big winner here. Not quite to first target on this long. Losing trade here at 327, winning trade here, money but no target, targets here, target here, targets, losing trade, and then you get target and small reversal, and then another winning trade, another winning trade. I mean, it's trading well. Another winning trade, small loss here, reverses into that winning trade, and then you get this. I mean, it's traded well. So I'm going to run it just to see. Then, of course, we get this big sell, loser here, but another winner here. So we'll see. I'll run it just to see how it does throughout the course of the morning. Dollar index hovering just below that $100 level. Hang on one second, guys. Cotton looks like it wants to short. Crude has a couple thousand buyers in it. So we'll see what we get, guys. We're going to sit until the numbers. There's 377 first trade of the day, right? After 8, the first trade after 8 a.m. Now, I would have taken it, but I was live in the ES. First targets hit. Other than David, did anybody take that 377? So we got our 97, 98 area. This should go to 03 and possibly 06. If it breaks above 14, it's kind of in a sell zone up there, but if it breaks above 14, we can go to 28, 24. And here comes second target. It's at break even plus 1. I mean, look at this 5-minute candle is enormous on the indices. They're enormous. If you look at the bot, which I don't have on yet, you got your long on the 3-minute at 92.75, 93. It got first target, did not go to second target yet. I don't have it on, but gold's going to take me out on the runner.
Stop, Phil.
Out. 21 ticks, fellas. Okay. Another winner on the bot. There's my 50 target on gold. 50.4, 50.5 is the problem area. Anybody long gold? Is there anybody long gold? All right, so here's where we got to watch the ES. Between 87 and 88. You're going to get a bounce, it looks like, trying on the ES. It's not going far. 87, 88 area. Okay, we're not going to get a trade here. All right, if it fired here, we've gone green on one of our ticks, on one of our filters. Not going to happen.
Order filled.
All right, 377 went long again. ES is not going to fire a trade either. One of our filters is green. Here's gold trying again in the 377, fellas. I need ES to pull back about 6. It's not gonna. Damn it. 6, 7 handles. There you go, guys. Almost. Come on. We got 61.75 from 64. Should get to 61. Maybe quarter. Or 61. Come on, buddy. Should come. Cannot get a... I don't think it can go back above 64. Okay, there's our first target, 61. And it hit quarter. That's about our first target, guys. It should keep coming. There it is. Got first target. Okay, final target. It's coming to 55. Anybody short? Anybody short, guys? Anybody short the ES? No? There you go, gold. Come on. We're almost to 59. I'm at 59.7, guys, on my live account. Here's where I'm at, 59.7. But 59 may be it. Okay? I'm at 59.7. If you guys want your ticks, take them. It's a nice trade. Man, we came close. Got 58.5. Come on, buyers. You got 25 sellers in here. That's it. Nothing. I want to see it hold 56.1.
Order filled.
ES got my final target. ES got my final target from 64. That was the Crable break from 64. Got my final target at 55. Guys, if you can't make money in this room, seriously, you can't make money. If I have anybody that's losing money, you're doing your own thing. You're not paying attention. So I adjusted all of these all the way down. I can it's hit both targets. I've just moved them out based on the selling. Okay? I don't know if it can get to 1950, but it surely has hit both targets. Now the CS has turned into a nice trade, fellas. It's still a long, back up to 76. Now you got a target at 76. Could take all day to get there, but that's your target. Your first target's off. You got gold up 1250. Still won't get first target. It should. There you go, guys. First target's off on gold. Monster. Gold, if it gets above 62.4, goes to 65. Anybody that's in it. 65. 62.4 is the next area that's a problem. Okay? And it looks like it's going to go. ES is still bid, guys. So is gold. Still bid. There's your opening range high on gold, 67. This is already up, was up a grand. It's got to break 87.10 and you can wave goodbye to that. And this bot first target's already off at 27 handles. It's almost a second target at 45 handles. Something about small business loan applicants. I didn't hear the news. Natural gas has done absolutely nothing. A waste of time to watch that. Anybody trade cotton?
Order submitted.
Anybody trade cotton? It's a long. Canadian dollar looks like it wants to short. Crude is still in that long on the 500 tick. Hasn't gone to target on the bot.
Order filled.
NASDAQ above 87.10, guys. You can wave goodbye to it for the rest of the day. It's gone. 87.10. Let me see where. This is where we should. This is our hourly pivot. We're back to our hourly pivot. It's trying to hold it, but on the ES. Crude just came one tick from target. And now we're pulling back a little bit. We have support around 71, 72 on the ES. Should give us a bounce. Guys, I mean, we've killed it today. We've killed it. We're still in a long from the 59 long. It's absolutely killed it. Let's see what I got. Watch gold. Watch gold.
Order filled.
Watch gold. Maybe back down to 51.8. It's going to want to suck back and hold VWAP, but I think gold's going to roll. Small buyers coming in. ES is pulling back. Crude still sitting. I would have liked to have seen ES tag 71 even and bounce back up to 76. Coming into the top of the hour, guys, we got, what, 36 minutes left in Europe?
Order filled.
All right, I closed out the runner on the NASDAQ. I just hit close. $1,470, one trade, 3 contracts. I shut it off. Gold is going to short on the 3-minute bot. Crude is coming to target. On the bot. Look at this, one tick. I mean, it should get 31 before it stalls out. There goes your gold. I know you can't see it. There's your gold. Got to 52.3 and 51.8.
Target filled.
There's your target. If anybody wanted it, 51.8. Boom. If anybody took it, I took it. I'm out. 51.8. Boom chakalaka. Man, he's good. Anybody take gold? Anybody take gold? Okay. I mean, we're doing what we do, Stephen. We're doing what we do. We're doing what we do and what others can't. Dang it, I missed my dang long at 76 on the ES. God darn it. Wake up, Bob. Okay, Jim. Gold has got a shot now of 48.2. It's got to break that support at 51.8, but 48.2 is an area. 48.2. I missed the 76 long, fellas.
Target filled.
Damn it. Russell, okay, so let me show you what we got. First target's off on crude, on the bot, right? Russell is longs, wasn't paying any attention. Got Russell long there. And we've got the NASDAQ long on this chart still with a first target at 45.75. We break 87.10, you can say goodbye. Okay? We've also got gold on the 3-minute short. This is the second trade on gold. Okay? Going to 86, guys. 86. You can buy 81 on a pullback. Again, I missed this at 76. What a jerk. Doing too many things at once. First target's off on the bot. It's gone break even +1. You're still long, guys, if you can get 80, half, 81. And it's going to 86, 87. Gold's target, it's going to have to break 49.8. If it breaks 49.8, gold comes to 48.2. It didn't break.
Order filled.
We broke 87.10. Now we should be off to the races on the NASDAQ. It may pull back in here, but that trade is now up $1,250. See if we can get target out of it. There comes crude. I mean gold. Gold. Here comes gold. Crude is all buyers right now. 3,400 net buyers. Here comes your gold. Got to break 49.8. Okay, 10 ticks lower, and then you get to 48.2. Come on, buddy, 10 ticks lower. Here comes 86 on the ES, 87. 86, 87 on the ES. Anybody holding the ES still, or take it again? Can't believe I missed that at 76. Is there anybody in the NASDAQ? Okay, Barbara. Okay, gold. Yeah, 81. It's going to 86, 87, and then above that, 91 to 94. Those are your targets. VWAP is at 95, so, I mean, that's a pretty good target. Again, they bought everything back, guys. NASDAQ on this chart, I'm out. Hit both targets. Hit both targets. Okay. Crude is out on the runner, and I just shut it off. So crude, $560 green. I shut it off. It's done. I've shut off gold. It's done. Silver, if it goes, I'll let it go. I've shut off the NASDAQ. This is done. ES did not take a trade today on the bot. 3-minute bot. No trades. I just shut it off. Didn't take that long. It's against a red background. But this NASDAQ trade, fellas, 27 handles and 45 handles. That's a trade. That's a trade. Silver wants to short. I'll go over totals at 11:30. All right, we got new hourlies here, guys. Support should come in somewhere between 74 and 78 on the ES. So I want to see a pullback and then turn back up. Give me 1 minute, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. We're going to trade eventually to 92 on the ES. 92. You mean on that 10 long? Where are you in from, Barbara? 10? You took the breakout? I would say 91, 92. Again, above 14, it screams again. It's going to go. It's longs. There's no short here. There's only pullbacks. There's no short. It's got to smash a little trend line right here at 7.8, and then it pops up again to close to 14. It's holding a trend line.
Order filled.
Oh, what filled and where? Oh, silver. I didn't turn it off. Silver is short on the bot. Gold is coming down to that 48.2. It broke 49.8. Man, how's he do that? I don't know. If gold breaks 48.2, it comes to 46.6. Anybody that's short gold, below 48.2, 46.6. Clear? Below 48.2, 46.6. Here goes Nas Dingy again. It's going to go, guys. There we go. Come on. Above 14. For those of you guys that are on trial, I hope that you appreciate some of my humor. I try to keep this light and easy. I know that trading, especially those of you that are trading live accounts, it can be stressful. So I try to keep it funny so that you're not focused on what you're doing. You're letting me worry about that. All right, guys, here comes 86.87 on the extra slow. That would be the ES for you uninitiated. And there's 86.50. Still longs, 87. Bazinga, next level up, 91. 91. NASDAQ broke 14. I just want to show you guys a trade, fellas. This is a trade. It's up $1,800. I haven't touched it. Okay. Why are you out of the ES? It is a straight momentum trade. It's up $2,100. Straight momentum to 91 now, 91.50. Here's the question I have. If you trust me to take the trade, why don't you trust the targets? You made a ton of money, but this is coming up here, fellas. It's $2,200 trade on the bot, guys. 24. Oh, here comes 91. Oop, there it is. There's your 48.2 on the gold. Man, another one. What I need, guys, is a button pusher. I'm watching way too many charts. We're coming to 46.6, next level. Anybody holding gold? Anybody holding gold? We're going to get a small bounce off 46.6, 46.7. Here comes your 91. I'll give you an exact number on ES next level. 91 even. 91. 91. Anybody that's in the NASDAQ, you got big money. All right, Chris. Anybody that's in the NASDAQ, even if you took the 10 breakout, I mean, you've picked up 25 handles on this trade. 46 is your first target on that 3-minute, guys. Do I have any of my trials have any questions regarding the bots? Anybody? Anything on my order flow trades? Tomorrow is Friday. For those, there's 89, 90. Come on, give me 91. 91. 91. 90 half. 7.5. 91. Boom. Target hit. That's it. That's it. Next level up is 94, but we need a pullback here. So stoked I missed this trade. Tomorrow is Friday.
Order filled.
For those of you guys that are on trial who end tomorrow, which is a few of you, I will go over. I send out a daily email, which is kind of just a recap, and it gives you some options for membership. But being as I have nothing to do here, that are trials afterwards. Here are my bot totals. ES did not take a bot trade. So somebody might say, well, how does it not take a bot trade? If you'll notice in the upper left-hand corner, I'm using filters of different time frames. So it's not interested just in the 3-minute chart that I'm trading. It's interested in congruency with up to 4 different time frames. I'm using 2. So for instance, this long here was against a red background, right? So my filters were red. It will not take that trade. Okay? Will not take that trade. Now I can set this, for long only, short only, or all trades as long as they're congruent, but no trades today on the ES. The NASDAQ, 2 NASDAQ trades. These are different 3-minute time frames now, okay? This was up 1470, one trade up 1470. This 3-minute chart, I closed out the trade, is up 1995. 1995. Okay. You can see it's almost a first target. It's come to 31. First target is 45. It's going to get that first target. But I closed out the trade. It's up 1995. 2 different trades, 2 different filters. 3 minutes each, but 2 different filters. Gold on the 377 tick was up $500. Did not take this trade because I have it off. But it was up $500. That's gold. Gold on the 3-minute was up 1,080. Yeah, of course, Jeff. Absolutely. My daughter's a member in the room. My daughter lives in Atlanta. She was a district manager with Gucci, and she quit her job as with Gucci so that she could trade. She's in the room. Yeah, that would be awesome. Russell is in a trade, but it's underwater currently, but it's in a trade. Crude on the 500 tick was up $560. All my bots are off, guys. Let me make sure. Yeah, they're all off now. No trade on bonds today. And then crude on the 3-minute is in a long, but it's underwater, 4 ticks. We'll see how that works out. And my live accounts, guys, I did a few trades today. I'll show you. Come on, man. So this is my personal account. I was underwater on that. I'm now green. And this is the leader follower account. So I did about $500 in my 2 live accounts. That's going to bug the snot out of me right there. There we go. I'm a little anal. But up about $500 on 2 accounts. Okay? So I try to trade and teach and call trades for the guys in the room. And I'm also trading not 1 but 2 separate live accounts. Okay?